Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. My name is Roosevelt and I will be making a cocktail for you today. Today's cocktail is the Carajillo Old Fashioned, right? I made a Carajillo before. It's a really good drink which incorporates fresh brewed coffee and some Licor 43, which is a Spanish like citrusy, vanilla-ishy like liqueur. It's good. Regular Carajillo is good, and Old Fashioned is good. So why not combine them, right? All right. First things first. Let's go with just half an ounce. I'm sorry, a quarter ounce of this Licor 43. Just a quarter ounce. Next, we're going to go with a quarter ounce of a coffee liqueur, right? This is the grind double espresso shot. There's many variations of this, so use the kind you want. You could actually use Kahlua if you have that instead, but just a quarter ounce of a coffee liqueur. This is my first time trying this, and I think once I try it this way, then I will adjust my ingredients, because it may be better with a little bit more coffee liqueur, because you want to kind of have that in the background, right? So next we're going to go with 1 ounce of a Cognac. A lot of helicopters going on. Think about to invade Greenland? Who knows? All right. Last, we're going to go with 1 ounce of rye. It was a little Sir Davis. 1 ounce. Give this a little ice. Give it a little stir. Got us a rocks glass and my strainer. Kind of excited about this. Kind of is not really the word. All right, here we go. Really excited. A Carajillo Old Fashioned. I'm probably saying it wrong. It's good. I would probably maybe go with a little bit more of the coffee liqueur. But as I would suggest you try it this way first and make your own adjustments. Right? With any drink that I ever make on here, it's about your preferences, right? If you like stuff more sweeter, add more simple syrup. Like it more sour, add a little bit more lemon. It's always your preference, right? I'm only getting you to the table. How you eat your food is how you eat your food, right? Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers. Finish it.